I think we're at a tipping point, one of the most exciting times in the history of energy for the United States and the world, because we're going to be transitioning from fossil fuel, where we burn things to make electrons, to electrochemical energy. Our modern world is wholly dependent on electricity and electrons. We don't really think of it that way, but it's not just the lights in our house or the power for our computers or the lithium-ion batteries in our phones and laptops and things. These are all integrated systems that are now coming on at scale and we're going to be able to use them in the home and industry and businesses and in transportation. And this is all made possible because we have invested, starting about 10 years ago, in all these technologies. So the fuel cell, which was invented or discovered about in 1840s, and the same for batteries, was never cost competitive, and now they'll be cost competitive. So the benefit of these systems is that, one, they don't generate carbon dioxide. If we're going to solve climate change, we're going to need these systems. Second, they can be scalable from a laptop, from a handheld device, to your home, to a business, to utility scale. And these systems they're already coming online. They're pretty exciting. And what would be useful, I think, for everybody to think of is not whether it's a fuel cell or a battery in a vehicle. These chemistries are all interrelated. And this investment that we made, say, for vehicles, is going to benefit buildings, it's going to benefit distributed and the developing world as much as anything. So be on the lookout for these technologies, and don't think of them as different technologies. They're actually part of a group or a family of technologies that's going to change our world.